What is up, guys? Back for another quick install video on the 2017 Focus RS. It's a new mod that I've been super excited for, been needing it for quite a while. So without further ado, let's get to it. Bam! Alright, so you guys can see here, I have a Motorcraft FP70 cabin air filter for the Focus RS. I believe it is the same air filter and installation for all 2012 to 2020 Focuses, but I'm going to be doing this one on the RS specifically. So I've had the car for just a little over 2 years now. Noticed that, it has a little bit of a smell to it, and I'm sure it's dirty. I have not taken it out yet, but I went with the OEM Motorcraft one. It was about $19 on eBay. There is a lot of knockoffs that you can get for substantially cheaper, but I wanted to stick with the OEM part. So I'm going to go over how to remove the factory one and install the new one, and we'll go over and see if it makes any difference inside the car. So we're going to go throw this bad boy in there. All right, guys, so we're back. So it's going to be located under the passenger side kicker panel. So you can see here, there's this insulation heat shield thing here. So these two tabs, you just twist and pull down, and it's going to drop this insulation panel here. Just be careful with it so you don't break it. Just work it on down, pull that out, and you can get all that out of your way. So that exposes the one fuse box panel and some harnesses and stuff. So if you're going to look right here, if you see this screw that's right there, it's a Torx bit. You're going to take that screw out, and then you're going to pull out that whole door, which is holding in the filter. So let's get that screw removed and go from there. Okay, so you're going to need a T20 Torx bit, and that's all you need. All right, so once you have that one screw out, there's two clips here. You see them moving? You pinch them in. See here, it'll lift up from the bottom. And you just got to work off that door so we can have access to the filter. So you lift up on the top, pops right out, and you can see the cabin filter right there. Now just take note, you can see the foam insulation is facing in towards the firewall, and that's how you're going to want to put the new one in as well. It is a very tight fit. And here it is. So you should be able to make it out that this thing is filthy. It is extremely dirty. You can see how gray it is, how much debris is in there. And that's all what is stopping, preventing particles and all this stuff from circulating through your AC and your heat. So all this is getting fed through your vents. So definitely want to change these out. This is exactly about 2 years. So should have changed it even sooner. You can see here some of the debris it actually left just from pulling out the filter. So I'm going to clean that up first, and then we're going to put the new one in. So here's a little side-by-side comparison. You can see obviously here's the new one and here's the original one. So you can see how much of a difference there is, how white and pure this one is, and how filthy this one really, really is. So this was way overdue for a changing. So I suggest anyone watching this that has a 2012 to 2020 Focus, you get on this and start changing it every 6 months to a year, because these things catch a lot of crap. So let's get this new one put in. All right, so you can see here it's a very tight fit between the harnesses and connectors that are here. You're gonna have to scrunch the filter no matter how you look at it. It's not gonna damage it, it's very pliable, but you are gonna have to bend it a little bit in order to get it in. So I have just a little bit there. You can see this whole thing will slide right in. Sits up right there. You want to have that foam insulation going towards the firewall. I'll grab our door back here. Slide that up. You hear it snap. We'll put that one screw back in. Don't want to over tighten it too much because it is all plastic, and you're all good to go. So now we're just going to put the insulation back in here real quick. This goes up just like this. Line up the two tabs, retaining clips. Just push up, give a little turn. Up, turn, and you can see this is all in good. So now we're gonna start the car, see if it made a difference. All right, let's try throwing the air on. Smells cleaner already. So it smelled a little bit kind of like mildew, just stale. Tough to describe. It didn't smell fresh and didn't smell clean. So have the air blowing now, and it definitely smells better than it was previously. Plus now hopefully it won't be putting through all this debris and particles and pollen and stuff. So easy install. Cost $19 or $20, and good thing to do maybe every time that you change your oil. So thanks for watching.